Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, Bentley Blonde. So today I'm really excited to have partnered with Fabfitfun to share with you their brand new spring box. This one's really good, you guys. So if you've been to my channel before, then you know that Fabfitfun is my absolute favorite subscription service. It is a seasonal box, which means it comes out 4 times per year, and each box is $49.99. However, the value of the box is always over $200, and I have a $10 off coupon code for you, making this box under 40 bucks. The boxes always include full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products, and I am never disappointed, y'all. And even more exciting, Fabfitfun now lets you customize some of the items in your box, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I chose for this spring. And I love the little Fabfitfun magazine that comes with every box because it has really great articles in it, some tips and tricks on how to use the products that you've received. I'm gonna go ahead and flip to the page that shares what's in the box and the retail value of each product, just so I can share with you guys the overall value of the spring box. So first up is a $50 gift card from HelloFresh, $25 off 2 deliveries. This is really awesome. I absolutely love HelloFresh. The hubby and I love to cook these meals together. It's really fun. So the first item is from Show Me Your Moo, and this is their Brie Robe, and this is one of the items that I was able to customize this season. There were 2 other options, I believe, an aromatherapy diffuser and a backpack, but I just absolutely loved this robe. I thought it was so pretty for spring, and this robe retails for $84. So just the robe alone is more than what you pay for the entire box. So this is the Brie Robe from Show Me Your Moo, and you can see it is a beautiful pink floral pattern. Really soft and lightweight, so great for spring and summer. So I know it looks weird because I have jeans and a sweater on underneath, but I just wanted to show you guys the length. So it almost comes to my knee, and you can see that it is longer in the back, so covers the booty. See, it has a quarter sleeve and a tie, so again, just really fabulous for spring. Absolutely love this robe. It's super cute. The next item in my spring box is this gorgeous pair of Vivian sunglasses from Quay, Australia. This was also a customizable option in the spring box, so you could choose between 2 different pairs of the Quay, Australia sunglasses, or a picnic set, or a vitamin C brightening facial from Kors. So all super amazing options. The Vivian shades from Quay, Australia retail for $60. So an amazing value. They are really gorgeous aviator style shades in black smoke. And my ring light is just like, wah! They make it look like I'm being teleported to space or something. So I'm sorry if you're like, if this is looking super trippy. So these are super nice quality frames. Absolutely love these shades. So that was a fabulous option, and they come in a really nice carrying case as well. So the next item in the spring box is from Levito, and this is their aromatic body lotion, and this has mandarin orange and bergamot, and it's for all skin types to hydrate, nourish, and protect, which is amazing. I absolutely need all the lotion I can get. I am so dried out. This was another customizable option in the Fabfitfun box, and these are customizable to all members. You do not have to be a select member, so just keep that in mind. It's really nice to have options. I love that they allow that. But it was between this, a set of copper measuring spoons, or a mystery item, which is really fun. So this is like the nicest body lotion. I've actually already been using it. I love the scent. It's not overpowering, but it's like a very fresh, like floral orange. So really like wakes you up in the morning, which I love. It's not greasy. Check. You guys know I hate greasy lotions. So this one is amazing. It dries down to like a satiny, silky finish on your skin. And again, the smell is amazing. So the Levito body lotion retails for $19. Next up, super cute product in this spring's box. This is from Sip by Swell. It is their insulated bottle, and mine has a peachy background with little tiny navy blue whales. How cute is that? I know that there are different colors, so yours might look a little bit different. This is a stainless steel bottle, which is amazing. You don't have to worry about BPA, cuts down on plastic use. You can see it has a really cute stainless steel screw on top, and it is insulated inside, so it's going to keep your hot or cold drinks at just the right temperature. So the Sip by Swell insulated bottle is $19.99. Next up is this jump rope from 11 by Venus Williams, and this is going to be awesome because I need to get my butt in shape. We are now almost 8 weeks post-baby, so I'm definitely ready to get back into my workout routine and get some of this baby weight off. So this jump rope is going to be great. It does retail for $15, and I love that the handles are padded. That's really, really nice. And it's just a really simple, thin little jump rope, so easy to tuck into your gym bag as well if you want to. So the next 3 items are products that every member will be receiving in their box. And the first one is this leave-in conditioner from Ouai Hair Care. Not 100% sure how to pronounce that, but this is a leave-in mist, which I have to use a spray-in leave-in conditioner every single day or my hair is literally a rat nest. So I'm really excited about this. Looks nice and thick and moisturizing. This does retail for $26. So again, a nice high-end product in your box. This is 4.7 fluid ounces, so really good size. And I just sprayed some of this on my hand. It's a really nice, thick, moisturizing hair conditioner. And the smell, oh my God, it smells so good, you guys. This is literally like fragrance for your hair. Love it. Next up is from Manicadar, and this is their Champagne Body Scrub. And this is huge, you guys. Look at the size of this jar. Oh my gosh, this is 18.34 ounces. This is their Champagne Charcoal Scrub. It is an exfoliant, so it's going to detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin. This is for use on your entire body, so really great here at the end of winter to just get all of that dead skin off. And reveal your beautiful, hydrated spring skin underneath. Gotta get ready for swimsuit season. So let's open this bad boy up. So this is what the scrub looks like. You can see it is black because of the charcoal in there, and it's a really nice, thick body scrub. Oh, it smells so good. It smells exactly like the champagne candle from Bath & Body Works, which is one of my favorites. It's a really nice fruity scent. So I'm really excited about this body scrub. This is gonna last forever, y'all. This is a huge jar. Retails for $24. Absolutely love this. Can't wait to use it. The last item in Fabfitfun Spring Box is from Dr. Brandt Skincare, and this is their No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I have actually used this before and I love it. This retails for $42. Amazing, you guys. This is a full-size tube. The really neat thing about the Dr. Brandt Eye Depuffing Gel is that it is a salmon orange shade. And as you guys know, orange is going to neutralize blue undertones. So your dark under eye circles are going to be completely neutralized by this really gorgeous salmon orange under eye gel. And it's just going to help get rid of any of that darkness underneath your eyes. And it's nice and cooling, so it's going to help to depuff the area as well. It dries down to a super soft, satiny finish. So this is a great first step in your makeup routine when you're doing your primer. Just pop some of this depuffing eye gel on, and it's going to help get rid of those under eye circles and your baggage. So it's a win-win. I have been using this for years and absolutely love it, so I was really excited to see it in the Fabfitfun Spring Box. So you guys, that is everything. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget, I have a $10 off coupon code linked down below so that you can get your first Fabfitfun box for under $40. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Bye, guys.